Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of the online course. This version of the weekly check-in, I want to talk to you a little bit about due dates. There's only 2 due dates for the class, both the supplemental course and the actual course. So I'm in Math 146, and we'll look at Math 146S here in just a second, but you can see if you go to the course calendar here over on the left ribbon on the Blackboard page. If you click on the course calendar, it will show all 6 modules. So there's the 6 modules. And half of the modules are due October 11th. So that's halfway through the course. October 11th at 11:59 p.m. All of the lesson assignments, all of the discussion boards, all the application activities, all the tests, all of those are due October 11th. For modules 1, 2, and 3. The second half of the modules, modules 4, 5, and 6, are due at the end of the class. That's December 13th. So there's only 2 due dates. Half the modules are due halfway through the class. The second half are due at the end of the class. This hopefully allows you maximum flexibility in terms of when and how you get things done. If you want to work ahead, perfect. If you need some more time to get the modules done, well, you have until October 11th to get the first 3 modules done. There is a course of danger of putting off the material until the last minute. This is not wise. So flexibility is good, but sometimes you need a little bit of structure. So try to find a way to make yourself accountable and pace yourself appropriately through the modules so you can get the first 3 modules done by October 11th. Same thing with modules 4 through 6. Try to pace yourself to get yourself done by December 13th. Okay. So you can see in MyLab Math here, if you go to all assignments, you can see the same due dates there. The due dates for the last modules haven't been put in yet because we need to worry about the first 3 modules. Okay, so there's that. Same kind of deal with Math 146S. So Math 146S is the supplemental course that some of you are taking. Some of you are not taking Math 146S, so you don't have to worry about that. But some of you are. And the same kind of deal over on the left side, if you click on course calendar, the due dates are there. Same kind of deal. In this case, there's only 4 modules. The first 2 modules are due halfway through the class on October 11th. The remaining 2, modules 3 and 4, are due at the end of the class, December 13th. And if you see the if you go to MyLab Math, click on that, click on all assignments. You'll also see those due dates on the assignments as well. So there's the due dates for the assignments. So just to hopefully clarify any confusion, there's just 2 due dates, one at the halfway mark and then one at the end of the class. At the halfway mark, you need to have half your modules done. At the end of the class, of course, you need to have all of your modules completed. Okay, hopefully that clears up any confusion. Have a great week.